Hello lovely people, welcome to Akose's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. Okay, so for today I will be sharing with you how I made this orange delicious cake. Yes, I just have two oranges at home and then it might go bad, so I decided to make good use of it. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the list of ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. So the first thing I'll be doing is to slice the oranges, so please make sure to wash the oranges properly. So I will slice about 1.5. I have two oranges, so I'll be using 1.5 of the oranges. Okay, so once you're done slicing the oranges, the next thing is to boil it. So I added 1 cup of hot water in a pot, and then I added 1 cup of white sugar. Please mix until the sugar is dissolved, and then drop in the sliced oranges and bring it to a boil for 5 minutes. Okay, so whilst I wait for the oranges to be done, I will proceed and cream and make the batter for the cake. So I added 1 cup of brown sugar and 3 large eggs. Please cream or beat until it's light and fluffy. You can also replace the brown sugar with white sugar. And then I added 5 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any flavorless vegetable oil. And then 1 tablespoon of orange essence. You can also use vanilla essence, which is fine. And then a pinch of nutmeg and a pinch of salt. I also added 5 tablespoons of plain yogurt. You can also use buttermilk, which the result is also great. Cream everything together, and then please add the orange zest and then the orange juice of the half orange that you left earlier on, which will give your cake a very great taste and flavor. Okay, so once everything is well mixed, I will check on the orange, so it's also ready. I will just set it aside and then move to the next step. So the next thing is to sift in your flour and then the baking powder. And then once everything goes inside, I'm going to fold in the flour and the mixture before I cream, because I wouldn't want the whole place to mix up with flour. Okay, so once you're done using the mixer, use your spatula to give it a quick mix, and then get your baking pan lined with a parchment paper, and then arrange your sliced oranges that you boiled earlier beautifully beneath the baking pan. And then right after you're done, you pour in your butter or the cake mixture you made earlier on. Please preheat your oven whilst doing this, and then bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so after 25 minutes the cake is ready, so I just round the edges with an offset spatula. Then I'm going to flip over it and then remove the parchment paper and then the baking pan base, and then see the beautiful outcome of our cake. Everything was so amazing. So I'm brushing the top with the syrup, orange syrup that we boiled earlier on, to give it that shiny and the flavor from the orange. Look at that. This smells so good and then it tasted so delicious. Let me give it a slice so that you can see how beautiful this cake is. It was so moist and then very soft. I love everything about this recipe. If you have oranges, please don't throw it away. Make good use of them. So I'm going to be sharing this for my neighbors as New Year gifts. Everybody will have a slice. Yes. Okay, so if you love this recipe, please don't forget to give it a try, and then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe and share to my channel. Stay tuned for more recipes, and please enjoy this channel to the fullest. Okay, stay tuned for amazing and great recipes. Please take care of yourself, be good to everyone, and please enjoy your New Year Eve. Okay, take care. Bye bye.